Hello and welcome to Lazy Veggie. Today we're doing a quick and easy lunchtime meal. As you can see, the ingredients are basmati rice, some ordinary petit pois garden peas, some sweet corn, and then choice of fishes, sardines or anchovies. Obviously anchovies give it a bit more flavour. And then we've got some very basic veg, just some carrot and pepper, which we're going to slice up and boil with the other veggies. So the hard task first, slice your veggies. Not too difficult. And we're not going to add too much pepper because we don't want it to overwhelm the other flavours. So core that, of course, and then just slice it. Add it to the pan, and literally we're going to give it 2 or 3 minutes boiling time, just to make sure that the peas and the sweet corn are actually up to speed in terms of temperature. Everything will remain a little bit crispy, but that's how I like it, and it retains all the goodness. Just a small amount of water. Steam it almost if you can, and then once you've got the ingredients ready, just pop them in a mixing bowl and give them a good old stir together, and that's going to be your meal. Now at this stage, it's up to you if you want to add something like some soy sauce to just give it a bit more zing. Personally, I would go ahead with that, or something else if you prefer it. Definitely a little salt and pepper. Hope you enjoy.